Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students, and welcome to our science class. So today is Wednesday, and the date is 15 of December 2021. We're studying about something really interesting and really important to us. What is the topic of our lesson?
What is soil?
Excellent. What is soil? You can tell me. Can you answer this question? What is soil? Do you know what soil is?
Soil is a
soil.
dirt we plant the plants.
Excellent. So soil is important to grow plants. If we need
to grow the
plants
plant.
for what? Hi Khalid, we need plants for what?
Because we need the plant, because we need food.
Excellent, ya Khalid. Excellent. Very good. Okay, can you guys raise your hand and tell me from where did we get soil? Huh?
I know. I can answer it.
Yes, Khalid, of course you can answer. Open your camera.
When the weather rock the rocks, will be soil, because the soil is pieces of rocks.
So mainly it's pieces of rocks. It's a mixture. You need to tell me that soil is
Soil is pieces of rocks.
Okay, mixture of rocks, only rocks?
No,
Rocks and
rocks and air and weather.
water. And
Water.
what more? Huh?
And
You and nutrients. And what? Okay. Ha habibi. From where do we get nutrients? From where?
From the rocks.
No, the soil gets the nutrients from where? Can you remember?
Tree.
Again, try again. Okay, someone else, habibi. Thank you very much, ya Khalid. Someone else. From where the soil gets the nutrients? Huh? Remember the humus?
From bedrock.
No. Remember the humus? Humus is full of something that gives the soil nutrients. Huh? What is humus? Remember the word humus? The word humus? Huh? Humus is full of something. Full of decomposed and broken down dead organisms that they once were living. Remember? So the remain of the living things like animals, fur, bones, plants, leaves, sticks, even humans. So they make, when they decompose and break down, they give what? They give nutrients to the soil. Okay. And farmers always take care of their farms. Why? To keep the land fertile. Do you remember the word fertile, Yarayan? Hi, Yarayan. Do you remember the word fertile?
Yes.
So what
Miss, we will need the book.
Yes, of course we will need the book. This is all revision about yesterday, ya Khalid.
I already opened the book.
Okay, what do you mean by fertile? They keep the land fertile because it's so good for planting or growing trees, huh? So what is fertile?
Fertile is something good for the land.
Okay, so if I told you that this land is fertile, what is the color you think the land is?
Green.
Green. It's fertile Very good for growing plants. Not yet. So what is the color of the plant? Of the
Brown.
land? Brown. Is it light or dark?
Dark. Dark.
Very dark. Very, very good. And do you think why the color is dark? Because it's full of something. Full of?
Soil. Soil.
Okay. What about the soil? Full of humus. Excellent. Very, very good. Now, let's start the new thing that we are going to learn today. Open with me your book to page 268. 268.
Miss, we didn't do to page 265.
It's fine. It's okay because it was only the topic in 65. So page 268, 269. Okay, Habibi? Okay. I want you boys to take a look at my screen. Look at my screen. All right?
Yes.
What do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture?
I see flower and plant.
Very good. This is a plant and this is a flower. What about down here? These are the
Soil leaves.
These are the roots. These are the roots. Yes. What about the soil? The soil are in many different colors. Why?
Many different colors.
Why?
Because if the color is this one, you cannot
Okay.
put plant. If this one, you cannot, and this one you put in it.
Khalid, this is if they are separated. All right, this is right. What you said is right. But if they are separated, now they are all up on one land. So the soil, the thing that you see, the brown, dark brown, what you see is not as the same as the deep layers of the soil. So what you can learn from this picture, that soil has many layers. Is it one layer or many layers?
Many.
Okay, how many layers can you see?
3.
3 layers. Very good, very good. So soil layers. Today we are going to learn the soil layers. Do you want to start from the deep down or from the top? From where you want to start? Deep down? Okay, why I have only Khalid is answering with me? Am I teaching only Khalid? Guys, where are you? Wake up, wake up. Where are you boys? Are you here?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Habibi. So let's go down deep, deep, deep the soil. Which is the basic layer? The very basic layer.
Rock.
Rocks, excellent. It's made of rocks. We call this one bedrock. Bedrock is a solid.
Bedrock.
Yes.
Miss Bedrock, I know Bedrock.
Okay. What do you know about bedrock?
You can't break it.
Excellent. They are unbreakable and they are very, very hard. Very good. And okay, so let's put a box around bedrock. And we know that bedrock is a solid rock. Now, the small pieces of rock in the upper layers of soil come from where? Bedrock. So whenever you see on the top layer up there, soil, you see small pieces of rocks. From where did they come? They came from deep down. They broke into smaller pieces, go up, 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 and then they are mixed with the soil. That's why you can see them. So bedrock is what? Is made of sand? Hi, Jamal.
No.
Hi, Jamal.
Made of rock. Made of rock.
Made of rock.
Solid rock. Solid rock. Okay. What comes after the bedrock?
The end of the land.
No. After the bed of rock. Over here we said we have 3 layers. Let me make lines for you so you can see them better. Okay.
Topsoil, subsoil, bedrock.
Okay, this one first, this one second, and this one the third. So, what is in the second layer? Huh?
Soil layers.
Okay, this is soil. Okay, what else you can see?
Layer.
Layer. And
Okay, you can see roots. The roots go.
topsoil.
Okay, this called a topsoil. That's right, you are correct. What can you find in the topsoil? Can you tell me? Yeah, Iyad, can you read for me?
Miss, can I go bathroom?
Plant.
Topsoil
Sorry.
of soil close,
First,
closest to
حبايبي.
Earth's surface.
قلبي. First, it's a subsoil. What is a subsoil?
Miss, can I go bathroom?
Yes, يا قلبي.
One layer
Quickly.
of soil lie between the topsoil and bedrock.
Okay. What can you find in subsoil? Continue reading.
So contains slightly large pieces of rocks than topsoil and little or no humus.
So, subsoil contains slightly larger pieces of rocks. See? So the big rocks, where are they? Huh? Where are the very big rocks? Where can you find them? Where? Where can you find the very big rocks? Is it in the subsoil?
In bedrock.
In the
Deep.
bedrock. Excellent, ya Khalid. Deep down in the bedrock. Subsoil, they have larger pieces of rocks than the topsoil. And they have what? A little of humus. Humus are very little. Where? In the subsoil. As we keep going up, once you start going up, so what can you find? The humus are becoming more and more. The humus are more and more. So the subsoil have a little bit of humus. When you go up to the topsoil, are you going to find more humus or not?
More humus.
Of course. Why? How did we know? Take a look at the color. Take a look at the color.
Because of the color.
Because of the color, of course. Okay.
You have brown and not
Down here, it's very white because what you can see is a bedrock, only rocks. When you go up a little bit at the topsoil, you can find a little bit humus and rocks are smaller, okay? Once you go up again, you can find the topsoil. It's the layer of soil very closest to Earth's surface, okay? And
then you go up, you will find the plant.
this is, ya Khalid, where you plant the seed. This is where you put the seed. Do you know that?
I do it with my
Very good.
brother.
Very nice. Very nice. So the topsoil is where most plants grow. Now, is topsoil fertile or not?
No.
It is. Why?
No.
Yes, it is fertile, the topsoil. Do you know why? Because
Why?
it
contains humus.
excellent. Also, it contains what?
Small bits of weather bedrock.
Excellent. All the layers contains rocks. All the layers contains rocks. All right. Finally, what can you see up there? You can see the
Land.
surface. Excellent, the surface. So the surface, such as leaves, sticks, and rocks, lies on top of the soil.
And I see butterfly.
Also, the plants and animals can be found above the soil and inside the soil too. So what can you find on the top of the soil up there, the surface, at the surface? You can see it with your own eye. You can see the sticks, the leaves, the dead plants and animals. All right. All right, Habibi. Now, I want you to describe the letters for me, okay? The layers. I want you to complete over here the chart. Tell me about the topsoil. What can you find in the topsoil? Please, Muhammad Fattah, can you tell me what can you find in topsoil?
Yes,
What can you find?
topsoil.
What can you find in the topsoil?
I want to help him.
No, he will help himself. You can find it over here in the box. Read the boxes. What can you find in the topsoil?
Yeah.
Okay, Habibi, we already underlined. So you can try reading the underlined parts. What is the topsoil?
Is where most plants
Grow.
grow. Topsoil is a first
Tile.
because it contains
Contains.
small of with
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, tell me, what about subsoil? What can you find in subsoil, ya mutawakkil? Ha, Habibi? What can you find in subsoil?
Yes.
What can you find in subsoil? This layer over here.
Rocks.
Okay, little bits of rocks. What else? Sometimes it has what, and sometimes it doesn't have it either. Huh. What about the color? The color is light. So is there any humus? There is, but only a little. Okay. What about bedrock, ya Jamal? Jamal Habibi, tell me, what can you find in bedrock?
Soil.
Okay, no, there's no soil under the bedrock. What can you find in bedrock? Read.
I want to answer it.
You? Okay. Hi, Khalid. What can you find in bedrock?
You found in bedrock. You have a big rock.
What can you find in the bedrock layer?
You have
You can find only rocks. Why they call it a bedrock? Because it looks like a bed. All the layers of soil rely on them or are upon the rocks, so they make a bed for the soil. Okay, Habibi. Now let me put for you the answer key so you can copy the answers. Okay. This is very important, Habibi. All right. This is very important. So I want you to start writing with me. Just a second. Yeah, I'm going to open for you the answer key so you can start writing. And as always, Habibi, do not write sample answer, okay? Do not
I will
try.
write.
Yes, let me cross for you the sample answer. No need to write sample answer. Just a second.
I write just there.
Okay, now let me put a line
Why we don't write it?
because it means example of answer. You need to write it.
Okay, I will write now,
All right.
but I will don't.
So what did we learn today? Who can tell me what did we learn today?
We learn about soil and bedrock.
Topsoil, subsoil, and bedrock.
Okay, what are they, Iyad? You were saying you were talking about what, Iyad?
This
Or what?
topsoil is a layer of
No,
soil
don't tell me
closest to
each layer, what does it have? What we are talking about, topsoil, subsoil, bedrock, earth surface, these are what? The topic of them.
soil.
Okay, they are what in soil?
This page what?
These are the layers of soil. I'm gonna write the page number, Habibi. I'm very sorry. It's page
269.
39. Okay. Hiya, Iyad. We are talking about what again? We are talking about the layers
The
of
layers of the soil.
These are the layers of the soil. ها حبيبي. ها يا قلبي. نعم.
Why you put the number line?
It's 269. This is the page number.
No.
Hmm.
The answer was put.
The line, because I don't want you to write sample answer. No need to write sample answer. You start from this. This layer has humus and is very fertile. Many plants grow well in topsoil. Also, I want you to start from the word this. Okay? All right, Habibi. I'm just going to close the record now, and you have time to write. Do not leave until you show me your writing, okay? This is very important, and I want to see your writing. Now let's say bye-bye to recording.
Bye recording. Miss